Derek, jump in. I hear it's good this time of year.
Yeah, that's a good hit. Do the same thing on the side.
Gotta remember to hang still though.
That's awesome.
That's better.
Go to your driver's side middle. Awesome. Now do your driver's side top. Awesome. Side top. That's the middle. Awesome. You've already hit the middle, so you go to the power side, middle. Awesome. Top. Good.
Or does it hang on?
Awesome. Bottom. Awesome. Bottom power. You're getting thin, real thin with the cut.
Okay.
Just gotta
Yeah.
get your shower in here.
Can you come back after this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where your last hit was, that same spot was like that anywhere. Yeah.
Bottom again?
Yep. Pretty good. Middle. Top. Awesome. Top chipper.
Want to really smack the bottom chipper.
I would hit the top.
Because you got that chip broken on the driver's side, so he's going to smack that chipper pretty good. There you go.
That was
What?
Stand you.
One of these once they're done.
really cutting
I'm
across
not too
the
picky.
Yeah.
You're welcome to drop in.
Yeah. Pull back to your leg and get that top one. Yep. Go ahead and hit the bottom. Bottom power.
Bottom and
Middle.
Set your drivers and ready to turn at this point.
For now or?
yeah, you want to
I
set
just
that top
set
driver.
Set your drivers real good and deep. It'll break.
Pull back to your leg.
Set one. Hang steel high.
Good. You're done on
There
your
you go.
top. You don't need to touch the top
Done or?
anymore.
Yeah, you can turn now.
Only thing you might want to do the top is get that chip out of there on the top side.
Okay.
But the axle path is really blocked. So you don't need any more drivers on the top. That's pretty good. Hit the bottom. Hit the bottom on the driver. You hit in the chip side with the driver. Get that done. Perfect. Done.
That was a little better than yesterday.
Yeah, I mean, just chop more blocks, you know.
Thank you.
No, no problem.